How does your computer secretly speak every single language? Well, let's dive in.
You've definitely seen this, right? Text that just turns into a bunch of weird boxes? So, why?
It's because computers originally only spoke one language, English.
It all started with something called ASCII. Think of it as the very first computer alphabet.
ASCII only had room for 127 characters. That's it. Barely enough for English.
So, what happens when the entire world wants to join the party? This is where it gets messy.
Pure chaos. Every language just tried to make up its own system. It was a total free-for-all.
This whole mess kicked off what we now call the encoding wars, years of digital confusion.
This created a huge problem called character corruption. Let me just show you.
Okay, so here's a sentence in Russian. On the right computer, it looks totally fine. But what if that same computer thinks it's supposed to be Greek? It becomes this. And if it thinks it's Arabic, it gets even weirder. Remember, the underlying data never changed.
And if it's expecting Chinese, you get total gibberish. That right there is data corruption.
The internet was fundamentally broken. We needed one single translator for every computer.
And the solution? A brilliant, game-changing idea called Unicode.
Unicode is basically a universal library. It gives every character its own unique code number.
And the difference is just wild. ASCII had about 127 characters. Unicode has over 140,000.
And this is why you can text in any language, use any emoji, and send it to anyone, anywhere.
This is so important. It powers the whole internet. It's literally the reason emojis work everywhere.
So yeah, Unicode fixed the language barrier between our computers, connecting the entire world.
We broke the communication barrier for machines. So what do you think is the next big one to break?